and you can't straighten your knee still.
No.
Would you mind showing us really quick?
Yeah. So this is about as straight as it gets right now.
Gotcha. And the right one obviously is more straight.
Yeah. I don't know if you can tell.
Oh, I can tell. I can definitely tell.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, we talked about it in your consult, and you know that I do a lot of work with extremities like the knees. So we found some muscles that aren't firing, and we're going to correct those. And you're excited about that.
I'm super excited.
Even though I told you it's going to hurt.
Yeah. I'm used to the pain by now.
Yeah.
It's been 7 months, like vigorously doing the same thing over and over, so I can handle it.
It's hard, right?
It happens.
It does happen, it does. And Kelly's position is really similar to a lot of people, that they're out there doing the best they can with what they have. But I'm here to tell you that there's more that can be done. So we're going to do it.
Yeah.
What was interesting I want to bring up is, as we look at your lower back x-ray here, you can see obviously the spine's out of alignment. Can you tell?
Yeah.
For sure.
Definitely.
And did anybody go over this with you?
No.
Okay. Did anybody ever tell you that the nerves that control the knee and the muscles and the tissues come out of the lumbar vertebrae?
No, nobody's touched my lower back since my ACL was torn.
Wild.
Nobody's like mentioned it or said anything.
Right. What's wild to me, we have a practice member who is 13 and just had a complete ACL tear, I think I mentioned to you. We looked at his lower back, and many times what we find, and we found in this young man as well as yourself, is that lumbar subluxation or misalignment will cause abnormal muscle firing to the muscles of the leg. Many times ACL injuries we found actually originate because the muscles aren't firing properly, therefore they can't protect the joint. Make sense? Right? So we're going to get the alignment corrected, and we're going to do the muscle work on the knee, and then keep your spine strong.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
I'm super ready.
Let's do it. Let's get started. Okay, we're going to
it.
start face down. You're going to get your first alignment. All right, so breathe nice and deep for me. And there we go. Shoulders relax, hips relax. And we're going to start in the mid-back. And I'm going to contact an area that needs to move. And you're going to feel a movement and hear a noise.
The noise of it in my dog.
Yeah, Nala's there. Nala's giving you support. And just know the noise isn't your bones rubbing together. It's nitrogen gas releasing from the joint. So breath in. And out. Shoulders relax. Beautiful. How'd we do?
Me?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Doing good?
Yeah, that felt amazing.
Amazing. We're going to breathe again. And out. Shoulders relaxed. Wow.
Gosh.
That was big.
That was crazy.
Come on. All right, so hips relaxed. Now for your lower back, we're going to have you on your right side facing knee. So come on over this way first. There we go. Dog friendly at Active Health.
Yeah.
We're going to bend the top leg here. Bottom leg goes straight. Hips relaxed. Okay. You're going to put your hands like this. And then I'm going to hold you here so you don't roll off the table.
Okay.
And then what I'm going to do is contact your lower lumbar vertebrae with this hand. And then the force comes between the hips, so I'm going to lean over you a little bit. Okay? So big breath in. Hips relax, just like that. Shoulders relax.
Oh my god.
How do we do?
That's crazy.
It's wild, right?
Yeah.
It's been stuck for a long time.
Yeah.
Can you go over this way? Those are the nerves, by the way, that go down the back of the leg, down into the calf. And yeah, right? Some of the knee muscles. Hips relax. Breath in again. Watching out for Nala. There we go. Drop the hips a little bit. Shoulders relaxed.
Oh my god.
Wow. That was big, right?
Yeah,
Now
super
we
big.
lay on our back, please.
I can feel like tension release
Yeah,
immediately.
a lot, right?
Yeah.
You're gonna breathe in.
Tingling.
Big breath in and out. You know, we've got a lot of work to do with the neck as well. So this one's a little louder because it's closer to the ears, but it's the same thing. Shoulders relax. Did okay there?
Yeah.
Breathe in. You notice it's tighter there than anywhere else in the spine? Yeah, remember how out of alignment the neck is? That's why. That's going to change over time, little by little, okay?
Okay.
So hands to your side now. We're going to work on the knee, and it is the left knee, correct?
Yes.
Okay, we're going to bend our knees, please. We're going to start out with a quad test. So you push up with your left foot. Push up. Does that hurt?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to bring it down. I'm going to rest my hand under here to not hyperextend. Bend both knees again. Push up. You saw how that got better? Okay. If I do this without my hand underneath, is that too much extension?
No.
Cool. So
Feels
just
good.
okay. So just breathe. So what we're doing here is I'm using the palm of my hand, but we're working on your quad insertion, where it inserts into your tibia. You okay?
Yeah.
Doesn't stress the knee too much?
No.
Okay, keep
It's just like it feels so tight.
Yeah, it is. Right? Breathe in. Okay, bend both knees. Push up. Notice it got stronger?
Yeah.
Cool, right? Now, we're going to take a supporting muscle, which is the hip flexor. Is your tummy full?
No.
Okay, we're going to breathe in nice and deep. Hold your breath. Breathe in, hold it. And we're going to hold your hip flexor like you're contracting it. Breathe in, relax. You're going to set your leg all the way down. Now we're going to lay face down here. And now what we're going to do is work your left hamstring as a group. Is it okay to use some lotion here?
Yeah.
So these muscles are over tightened. Have you noticed your hamstring being over tightened at all?
Oh, yeah.
Nala seems to be at home.
I just wanted to be a part of the
Yeah, part of the adjustment.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, we're going to check your foot for subluxation. Let your feet relax. There's a little bit of motion there. Relax your foot again. A little bit of motion. Same thing here. Perfect. Now, since we're here, we're going to check some of the knee muscles while you're laying down. So relax your leg. Push back with your heel. Push, push. Okay, that's your hamstrings as a group. Toes in. Push back. Your medial hamstring's not firing. Toes out. Okay. Are you up for a little more, or you think that was enough for today?
No.
You good?
I'm always down for more.
Come on, let's go. It's your medial hamstring.
Yeah, that doesn't feel too good.
No, it does not. Hold right there. Nala came to the rescue. Push back. Okay, we're going to try that again. Let me just take this off.
Yeah, you can go.
There we go.
Oh my God.
Okay, toes in, push back. And then it does get a bit stronger, so my apologies in advance. We're going to breathe through this one. Let's see, just like that. Is your knee okay?
Yeah.
Hi, Nala. Hi there. You helping out? She's just making sure everything's okay.
No, she's a good support dog.
She is a good support dog.
She just wants to make sure her mom's okay.
Okay. Now we're going to breathe in. All the way out. Stop breathing, cut the breath, and relax your leg. Do not help me. I'm holding a counter strain. Just tell me if it's vulnerable.
Yeah, definitely.
We're doing okay?
I mean, it hurts.
So a little bit vulnerable?
Yeah.
Okay. So we'll just let it go now. Are we doing okay?
Mm-hmm.
Excellent. Now we're going to lay face up, please.
Hey.
Back. Now we're going to go to your VMO, your vastus medialis obliquus right here. And we're going to do a little myofascial release here. So the difference, Kelly, between what I'm doing in a massage is that a massage is more general, like, hey, it's tight, let's just rub, right? And this is targeting specifically over tightened muscles. But before we do that, we're correcting the muscles that aren't firing. Does it hurt a little bit?
It hurts a lot.
Hurts a lot of it?
A lot of it, for sure.
Can you take it?
Yeah.
Okay, just breathe through it. Wow. All right, breathe. Okay, foot relaxed. We're going to put a little motion into your foot this way. Let your foot go. Beautiful. Foot relaxed here. Excellent. Now we're going to bend both knees, please. Okay, hands off the body. You push up. Beautiful. Toes in. Push up. Toes out. Push up. Toes out. You won the prize. There's one more thing to do. Can you take it?
Yeah.
All right. You sure?
Yeah.
Okay. You want to get better, don't you?
I do.
Okay. So this is the VMO again, but instead of doing a myofascial release, we're doing a work here at the insertion.
Why does it feel like that?
That's actually a really good question, and the answer is it's a micro tear. It hasn't been firing, and you've been walking on it for 7 months post-surgery. It was probably like this before the surgery. Isn't that unreal?
Yeah.
Breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Hang in there, you alright?
Yeah.
You're a champ. Stay there, stay there. Breathe in deep. Hold your breath. Don't help me. Breathe and relax. Hands to the side. Bend both knees, please. Okay, toes out. Push up. Wow.
That felt different.
Way different.
It felt way different.
Your muscles haven't been firing. Tighten your abs. Come on up. Come on up. Stand over there. And just stand up for me. And just straighten out your knee a little bit.
It's already straighter.
Yeah, a little tiny bit.
A little bit.
Yeah.
I can see like every centimeter.
You can
though,
see you see every millimeter, right?
Yeah.
Not bad for one visit, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we've got.
The craziest thing is like that last thing you did. Normally, whenever you like have me push up, I feel strain here because I guess this muscle wasn't working, right?
Correct, exactly.
And then you like released it or whatever.
We got it firing.
You got it firing, and then I felt it work instead of in the middle, like whatever that is.
Can the body heal?
Yeah.
There you go. You're tough.
I'm so excited.
I'm excited for you. I'm so happy for you.
Yeah,
Thank you. Thank you for trusting me to take care of you. How would you relay your first adjustment and rehab experience?
Absolutely incredible. You know, I've been passed around to a lot of doctors, and I heard really good things about him from a really reliable, loving source. And so I had no doubts. But you know, always when you're kind of passed around, you're just like, oh, I don't know. But this is like the first like testament you passed. Like,
Aww.
I've not felt this muscle fire and work in like 7 months, you know?
Yeah,
like,
I do know. Unfortunately, I do know.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm super happy. You're gonna get better here.
Yeah, I believe so. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you. I appreciate you.